The hike to the springs is a short one, and it's fairly level, except for this one bit where you do a bunch of the uphill. If there's any rain or snow, this bit is very slick, and you're more or less just climbing your way up along this fence. I found it's more dangerous going down and slipping than going up. But once you're up this section, the trail's going to level out nicely, and then it'll be a nice grade up to an area with an old rickety outhouse. See the river down below. Come out of the trees here, past a very rickety old outhouse. You'll run into a couple different social trails that go around. As long as you don't go down to the river, you're fine. I always tend to just go straight across here. And then you hook back up with the main trail and you're almost to the springs. There's the Travertine Dome. It's about 100 feet up above the river. And leaving the springs, I got them to myself there for just a minute or so. More people coming in, so I didn't film the whole thing because I didn't want to get other people. Coming back to the steep part here, maybe from the top you can get a little bit of a sense of the incline and the fun. I'm still in my Tivas, decided not to try to change with everyone there, so we'll take this very gingerly.